You sent me this one. You love this story. Panasonic built a vacuum to rescue AirPods. We first started talking about this, it feels like a year ago or something, maybe even more, when people in the New York City subway were having real issues with the trains being on time because there was all kinds of shutdowns to retrieve these stinking AirPods all the time. Mm-hmm. And of course that's going to happen. The thing is tiny, It's just so easy to lose. And so one of the places that frequently took place was on the public transit. And in the subway, it's two choices. It's dead, see you later, which for a lot of people is a little pricey to be doing that. Or we're going to contact the people that work for the transportation, and then they're going to shut things down temporarily or try and sneak in there and grab them. But people had to come up with all kinds of weirdo contraptions to retrieve these things, including little claws or sticky poles.
Yeah.
Nothing official. But of course, if you're in Japan, you don't rock no sticky pole in Japan.
You don't?
No, you go talk to Panasonic.
Okay.
Or Sony or one of them. In this case, Panasonic. And so they go down the road to Panasonic and they say, look, we got this problem with all these AirPods. And Panasonic's like, we don't make those AirPods, but we'll help you figure it out.
Yeah.
And so they create this contraption. It's incredible. It's this multi-finger looking vacuum thing with a telescoping pole that comes out of it. And they did this because a lot of those other contraptions would end up pushing the AirPod under the gravel further, and then they got to jump down. It's dangerous.
Yes.
They don't want to be down there.
Yeah.
So you need something that lifts immediately.
Yeah.
You can't be pushing in there.
Yeah.
And so this is the contraption they came up with. Walk down the road, talk to Panasonic. No problemo. 5 minutes later, they whip up that baby right there. That's how it works in Japan.
Good on them.
Just got to let you know. So now who knows? Maybe people elsewhere, those in the transit workers in New York and everywhere else can just order up one of these guys.
Panasonic makes billions?
I don't know about billions, but make a couple bucks.